In this quick tutorial, we're going to walk through how to connect Razorpay to LearnWorlds by Zapier, a process that can save you tons of time and automate your online business. Stick around, because not only will I show you how to do this, but we'll also look at why you might want to reconsider using Zapier for your business and explore better alternatives by the end. To start, let's dive into the first step. You'll need accounts on both Razorpay and LearnWorlds, plus a Zapier account to get the integration up and running. If you don't have them set up yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged into Zapier, click Make a Zap to start creating the workflow between Razorpay and LearnWorlds. Next thing, you need to choose Razorpay as the trigger app. In Zapier, triggers are actions that kick off the automation. You'll be asked to connect your Razorpay account by providing your API keys. These can be found in your Razorpay dashboard under the API key section. It's a pretty straightforward process, but just keep an eye on your Razorpay account settings to make sure you're adding the correct keys. Once your Razorpay account is linked, you'll need to choose the trigger event. For this example, let's go with successful payment, because that's what you'll typically want to automate in your LearnWorlds system, processing a payment that's been successfully completed. Once that's set up, click Continue and test the trigger to make sure everything's working smoothly. Now that Razorpay is connected, let's move on to the next step. The fourth thing to do is set LearnWorlds as the action app. In this step, Zapier will push data from Razorpay into your LearnWorlds account. You'll need to connect your LearnWorlds account to Zapier, which involves inputting your LearnWorlds API key found in your LearnWorlds settings. With your LearnWorlds account connected, choose an action event. For example, Create New Student could be a good choice if you're looking to automatically add new customers who make a payment in Razorpay to your LearnWorlds platform. You can choose other actions depending on your needs, but I recommend starting with something simple to test the workflow. At this point, you'll need to map the data from Razorpay to the corresponding fields in LearnWorlds. This part can be a little tricky, especially if you want to make sure your student information, like their email, name, and payment details, come through correctly. Take your time here to ensure the integration will function smoothly. Once that's done, test the Zap to ensure everything works properly. If the test is successful, you can hit Turn on Zap, and you'll have successfully set up the integration between Razorpay and LearnWorlds via Zapier. Now, let's talk about why Zapier may not be the best tool for the job. While Zapier is powerful, it does have its drawbacks, especially in terms of flexibility and reliability for certain processes like complex payments and memberships. If you're relying on Zapier to handle too many tasks, you may run into issues with delays or data errors, and the pricing can get expensive for higher volumes. So, what's the better option? For a smoother, more efficient process, I recommend checking out alternative tools that can integrate directly with LearnWorlds and Razorpay. These alternatives often offer more customization, better customer support, and are built to handle the specific needs of online course creators and businesses. Before I wrap up, I've got something special for you. If you're still interested in automating your LearnWorlds and Razorpay integration, I've got an exclusive, extended free trial offer for the software we just covered. Plus, I'll give you access to better alternatives that will suit your needs much better. These alternatives also have free trials and can help you streamline your processes more efficiently. Check out the first link in the description to grab your free trial and enjoy the exclusive benefits that are only available through our link. Don't miss out, and make sure to explore those alternatives as well.